चलिए, analogies, questions and answers. Answers I'm not giving you. You answers you are guessing. Like question 1, answer. Take the correct answer. There's A, B, C, and D. Monday, April. Friday, what? August, Tuesday, July, Saturday, what?
August, ma'am.
How?
Ma'am, Monday, April 4th month, and Monday is the first day. Then Friday is 5th day, and after April, August is 5th month.
Very good. Did you understand? Monday, April, Friday, August. Right? Those who have not understood, they need to understand. Sanjali, please explain once again.
Okay, ma'am. Monday is the first day, and Monday को compare किया है अगर अप्रैल से तो अप्रैल फर्स्ट मंथ हो गया, and 5th day हो जाएगा Friday, and after अप्रैल अगस्त.
इससे पहले वाले पोर्शन में तो नहीं आया था कोई.
Explain. ठीक तो बोली हो. Monday is April.
मैम मेरी आवाज नहीं जा रही है क्या?
नहीं.
ओके मैम, फिर से एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ. मंडे इज द फर्स्ट डे, एंड उसको अप्रैल से कंपेयर किया है तो अप्रैल फर्स्ट मंथ हो गया, एंड देन
ठीक है, मैं इन्फॉर्म कर देती हूँ.
Friday.
फिफ्थ फ्राइडे, एंड आफ्टर
कैसे आपने निकाला ये कि अगस्त होगा? Explain. April is the 4th month, right? So Monday is April. And if April is Monday, the 4th will be like August will be, no?
यस मैम,
ऐसे.
9th month,
हाँ.
8th month.
Did you understand? Did you understand? If Monday is April, Friday will be August. Suyash, are you confused?
Yes, ma'am.
Sanjali, are you still confused? You have given the right answer. Again, still you are confused.
Ma'am, if Monday is the first day and April is the 4th month, 1 or 3, and then Friday is the 5th day, and then August is the 8th month.
No.
3 का मैम डिफरेंस आ रहा है, 3 का डिफरेंस. 1 4 and 5 8.
आंसर तो ठीक तुम्हारा अगस्त है. ठीक है, आंसर इज ओके.
मैम दोनों के बीच में 3 का डिफरेंस आ रहा है. दैट इज द
हाँ, that is the point. Did you understand Suyash and all?
Yes, ma'am.
ये अभी समझ में नहीं
Yes,
आया,
ma'am.
ये करते करते समझ में आएगा. Will take time. If dermatologist's skin, then ophthalmologist.
Ma'am, eyes.
Yes.
Eyes.
How do you know this? तुमको कैसे समझ में आ गया?
मैम ये
मैम क्योंकि आइज को जो मैम क्योर करते हैं उनको
Dermatologist होते हैं.
स्पेशलिस्ट होती है. Yes.
And eyes को जो क्योर करते हैं, everything related to eyes is
Ophthalmologist.
all right. तो उसी तरह से आता है, you have to understand the similarities. Snakes, reptile.
Ma'am, C.
वास्प इंसेक्ट,
Insect.
C, ma'am.
What did you,
बाकी सारे गलत हैं.
how did you know?
Because ma'am, snake equal to reptile, then in wasp is equal to insect.
Exactly. Find the analogies for humans, society.
एनिमल्स जंगल,
Yes. So, human, society, animals. Humans live in society, animals live in jungles.
Jungle. Botany.
Botany, plants.
मैम जियोलॉजी अर्थ, जियोलॉजी अर्थ,
यस, तो आपको रिलेशन देखना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, व्हाट आर दे टॉकिंग अबाउट. सबसे पहले टारगेट क्वेश्चन है, उसको देखना पड़ेगा. उसको कंपेयर करना पड़ेगा अबाउट आफ्टर रीडिंग द ऑप्शंस. This is easy. Milk, pots, eggs, dozen, shaker salt.
shaker salt,
No.
bucket water,
What did you say? Bucket water.
then मैम shaker salt. बकेट में वाटर रखा जाता है तो shaker में salt हो, क्योंकि यहाँ पे कोई भी मैच नहीं कर रहा.
Container देख लेते. Bucket water contain. Bucket is a container for water. So तुम सी बोल रहे हो ना. Suyash, you are smiling. What is your answer? Yes, it is. But दिमाग लगाओ. दिमाग तुम्हारे पास है कि नहीं?
Yes, ma'am. है ma'am.
है ना. चलो ठीक है, लगाओ. किसी ने कहा, हाँ, सबने कहा है, क्या कहा था? सी कहा सब.
Shaker.
I want to know Suyash का कुछ अलग और आंसर है. He doesn't feel satisfied with C. चलो हरी आप। और ये कौन है? आदर्श नारायण।
Yes, ma'am.
Be interactive. You already know that these things come in your exam also. Very good. Shaker salt. You do not, you use water, you do not use for drinking. River water, there is an ocean. It contains rivers, ocean and river. I mean, so milk and sorry, liquid nahi hai. Bucket contains water. So shaker will give off salt. Okay. Very easy hai, easy.
Cow.
Cow.
ये तो स्टैंडर्ड 1 का है। सुयश आप बताओ। कोई नहीं बताएगा, सुयश को बोलने दो। यस सुयश। यस आदर्श नारायण, दिमाग लगाओ अपना। think
Ma'am, cow.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Suyash looks disturbed. No, cow होगा ही नहीं।
Ma'am, question number 7 or 8?
I'm talking about kitten.
Then A, ma'am. A, cow.
Right. Kitten and cat. The young one of a cat is a kitten, and the young one of a cow is a calf. Yeah, think about question number 8. Cobbler is all about shoe.
Contractor building. No.
Contractor building, ma'am.
पहले देखना चाहिए कि what is the question talking about? Cobblers
Cobbler shoe को cobbler बनाता है।
होता है। सबसे पहले वो देखना चाहिए कि क्वेश्चन क्या है। Okay. Car, garage, aeroplane.
Hanger.
Hanger.
Horses, jockey, cars.
Ma'am, B.
Shuffle. Now, Suyash, you tell me, how did you know these two answers? You're very confused in the first two. How did you know these two answers? I told you analogies you will only learn by doing it.
Ma'am, the question number 9, car is parked in garage, and the place where aeroplane is
Yes.
the place where plane is parked is known as the hangar.
Yeah. These are called analogies. These are all analogies are all about. So you have to do like maths. It's very it's technical, but then you need to think, solve problems. So horse and jockey and cars, chauffeur, right? Okay. Camera lens, flash.
Light.
Any other answer you have? Any other answer?
Ma'am, light.
Yeah, you said light, but are there any other answers? मैंने पूछा ना कई बार, एनी अदर आंसर? सो कैमरास, लेंस, फ्लैश, बल्ब. ये तो इजी है. Fossils, creatures, mummies,
Human being.
human beings.
Egypt, ma'am. Egypt or what?
Fossils, creatures, mummies. Oh, you meant that mummy. Okay, that is why confuse करने के लिए Egypt लिखा हुआ था. Book publisher, film.
Producer.
एक सेकंड के लिए इजिप्ट हम भी कंफ्यूज हो गए थे. बुक पब्लिशर एंड फिल्म
Producer.
कुछ इजी वगैरह भी रहता है साथ में, ताकि आप समझिए कैसे इसको बनाना है, कैसे उसको, हाउ टू मेक दिस. Impossible is related to feasible in the same way as theoretical is related to easy.
Practical.
Practice.
Practical.
Select the lettered pair that has the same relationship as the original given pair of words. Anonymity. Sorry. Identity, anonymity.
Law of perfection.
इसका माइक्रोफोन ऑफ नहीं है. Law of perfection, जिसका भी आंसर है करेक्ट आंसर. All right. Rice, wheat, maize.
Jowar bajra.
There are some easy ones to help you understand. Okay.
Animals.
Mankind.
Ornithologist, bird.
Mankind, ma'am.
Biologists,
Anthropologist. Mankind.
yeah. Calculus, mathematics, physics, chemistry, mathematics, science, book, pencil, college, university.
Ma'am, college, university.
Others, what is the answer?
College, university.
All college, university.
Yes, ma'am.
Sculpture, statue, then poet. एक कौन है?
Verses.
Yes.
Scene.
Sculptures create statues. poet creates verses. Right? So ये चीज़ तो तुम जरूर बना दोगे 1 सेकंड में. 20. No.
Which question, ma'am?
Question number 20. Cats and dogs have paws. So what is hoof all about? Hoof किसका होता है?
Horse, ma'am.
हाँ है ना? आपको पता होगा ये. There are simple ones to make you understand. Sanjali, do you have any other answer?
मैंने मैम कैमल का सुना था.
तुम कैमल का भी सोच रही थी. सांजलि, कैमल का यहाँ पर
हॉर्स भी.
lion, horse, lamb, elephant. Why do you think out of the box? जो ऑप्शन नहीं है वो तुम सोच रही हो. Tell you what. Book is to literature as dash is to music.
Symphony.
Symphony, ma'am.
Yeah, good. Symphony is for music. Sculpture के साथ एक और आ गया. Status, sculpture.
Book author.
Give your answers. Painting, sorry. Status, sculpture. Painting, color, books, pages, scientist, experiment. Books, author.
Book author.
Book author. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. Twenty-three.
Earth orbit.
Orbit.
Current, circuit, और
Orbit.
Oxygen burn, carbon dioxide.
Foam.
Yeah, what? Come again.
I think ma'am foam.
4. D. Isolate, foam,
Extinguish.
extinguish. Now आपको देखना है यहाँ पर how does burn and oxygen correlate and how does carbon dioxide and
Carbon dioxide extinguish. Maybe.
What is the answer now?
Extinguish.
Extinguish.
Hmm.
25. Scales and fish.
Skin man.
Hmm.
C option.
Yes. Anybody else? Any other answer? Very good. Pen, pencil, ink.
Cow milk, curd.
No.
Ma'am, table, chair, wood.
Yes. पेन पेंसिल की बात हो रही है तो काउ मिल्क कैसे चलेगा?
I think he likes milk.
या फिर fish
Pen penciling. I told you these are quite confusing. Pen, pencil, ink, right? And the right answer is A. Orange, banana, and juice. All of the same category, right? Be confused. The more you are confused, the better you will be. The more you will want to learn. All right. Scribble is to write. Stammer is to
Speak.
Speak.
scribble का मतलब होता है writing down something. Scribbling something. Stammering, speech.
stammer
Stammer मतलब
means ma'am.
लाना.
There- Okay.
Question number 28. Menu, food, catalog.
Catalog, book. Books.
Yeah. Anybody else? Any answer?
Oh, option A, ma'am, books.
Yeah. Okay. We will do more of these things because you have to get to know the knack of finding the right answer for analogies. So what was your score? How much did you know? How many did you know? I should ask, not how much, how many? Sanjali knew quite a lot. What about you? Hmm?
What did you say, ma'am?
I said, what was your score? How many of the questions could you solve?
Ma'am, approximately 3 to 4 answers were wrong.
Okay. I just said Sanjali was quite right in almost all the answers, except for few. But we'll do more of such exercises to get you updated.
Okay, ma'am.
Analogies always come in your AKU exams, external. लेकिन अब हम लोग इंटरनल एग्जाम में भी देंगे. I've got to make you technically strong.
It also asked in competitive exam.
Yes, yes, it does. It is very much asked. Okay, take care and happy Diwali, and thank you guys for coming and making a very vibrant Rangoli and bringing all smiles. You see how happy Director Sir was. Everybody was happy. You smiled, everybody smiled and laughed and cheered. And it was such a positive vibration. Positive. So for that you came out, you came out of your comfort zone rather. And it is good. I was really happy that you came. And BCom first participated, second participated, BCom fifth participated. That's good. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. And all of you take care and a very happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali, ma'am.
Happy Diwali. Take
Happy Diwali, ma'am.
safe.
Happy Diwali, ma'am.
Stay connected.
Diwali, ma'am.
Happy Diwali. Take care.